Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Let's have an update on how the market began today. It started on again a kind of flat note, almost 1-2 odd points down on the Nifty, and the Sensex climbing up almost 10 points up. Although we are relatively lackluster trading in the early morning because of the Asian indices also trading in the kind of flattish mode. What we saw after that, after half an hour of the trade, infrastructure stocks as well as the banking stocks and auto stocks are zooming in and on the buyer's radar. Now what the watch list today says that we have Tata Motors is almost up by 2.5% after it posted kind of a sales figure which was better than the estimates, almost month on month about 12.5% increase in its JLR units. Although it took a hit on the commercial vehicle sales, which they said it was depressing than the last year compared to YOY figures. Nevertheless, it was back in the green, and lots of brokerage houses have kind of revised the targets for the Tata Motors to almost up by more than 10% from the current levels. So we are seeing kind of a good trading activity in Tata Motors, as well as Tata Power, one of the stock that is up by 3%. Now this power company is kind of finding ways to curtail its debt and selling, plan to sell its kind of non-core assets to those interested buyers. Oil prices have erased in the Asian market trade. It retained support at around those $100 a barrel. In spite of those tensions between the kind of Ukraine and Russia, oil prices have remain in control. That would definitely benefit our OMC companies as well as the rupee front. So that's again a good news that the oil prices haven't spiked in spite of the tensions in the Russian continent. Friends, the Sensex stocks which are kind of in the buyer's radar are kind of Dale, Cipla and Bharti Airtel, which is kind of the leaders today. While on the other side, ITC, Infosys, we have TCS and M&M are on the majors losers side. So we are kind of a balanced out today. One of the kind of sector are kind of losers and others are on the gainer side. Friends, also mid caps and small caps are participating today, and kind of with the Sensex is up by 120 points. Nifty has kind of spot has broken about 7,800 mark, which is good for the Nifty technical level. Coming back to the Forex market is closed today because of the bank holiday, so we don't have kind of a rupee trade data available. That's all the update and data we have. We'll get back to you more in post market. Thanks.